You're not just here to take my money. Trust me.
Thank God we called you guys.
I said to him, I said, Lord, thank you for knocking on my door.
All you need to know is that what you say will happen.
These folks deliver on what they say.
Oh, you amazing.
So you've been really honest?
You deliver on your promises.
Everything is true to whom?
The process was really easy.
He and his wife was family.
You're not a seller, you're a friend.
And he works with us. They keep you out of family. Just don't get that anymore.
You said it, you meant it, and you still get represented.
I mean, I still to this day call you for questions.
No questions that you have will go unanswered.
I need to call you late at night.
You know how many times I called about the question?
No matter how many times I ask the same question, but it's always a bit.
Every time I call this man, he called us back right away.
Always a minute.
I only got a roof warranty, but you guys cover a lifetime.
Genuine about helping people and not trying to get over on people. And I think that right there can put a price tag on.
Can put a price tag.